Hello guys, happy to see you all here in our channel again. So today we are going to crack another super shining super badge, which is nothing but a user authentication troubleshooting super badge unit. So let's get started. So in order to crack this super badge, we are having totally two prerequisites to be done here. The first thing is super badge program security quick look, which we have already completed in our previous video. So I'll provide previous video link in our description. And the second thing to be done is user authentication, so which is my most favorite module. So all we need to do now is to launch the playground. So once you launch your playground guys, all we need to do here is go to setup. So here we are going to set some permission range. So search for permission and click on permission sets. So in this we are going to give label as a Trailhead, API name as Trailhead, and then save, which I have already done this. So just I am going to open the previously created permission set. So I'm just clicking on that. So once you save that, you will get this kind of page. Just scroll down and click on system permissions. In this, click on edit option. So here we are going to search for multi-factor user authentication for user interface login. So check the checkbox and scroll up, save again. Now we are going to manage assignment. Click on manage assignment, add assignment. So here you will find your name as username. Click on that. So here we are going to reset our password. So before doing that, we need to check whether we have given multi-factor authentication by giving session settings here. So once you find it, just click on it and make sure whether you have given multi-factor authentication for this assurance. Save. So now getting back to our user, so click on your name, click on the checkbox and reset password. You will receive a mail in order to reset your password. So once you receive your password reset link in your mail, all you need to do now is you just copy this username and try resetting your password with the help of this link. Go back to your playground, try logging out and log in again. So you will get a Connect Salesforce Authenticator page like this. Now you need to install the app from Google Play Store in your mobile. You just need to click add an account from your mobile. So you will get 2-word phrase over there. Just type that phrase here. So wide extension is what I have got. I'm just going to connect. And I'm going to click connect on my mobile. So my account is added here. Yeah, we are all done. Let's check this challenge now. Yeah guys, we have successfully passed this one. So let's go to next. Customize your login process with my domain. Let's take up this challenge. As I already completed this challenge, I'm just rushing this video. Yeah. So let's get into our challenge 3. Set up single sign-on for your internal users. Now we are going to create a federation ID over here. Go to setup. Click for user. You just click on edit in your username. Copy your username. And if you scroll down, you will find federation ID. Just paste your username over here and click on save. Go back to our challenge now and click on a link called Axiom. Yeah, click on this. Here we are going to select SAML identity provider and tester and download the identity provider certificate. So now getting back to our setup. Here in quick find, type single sign-on setting. Click on that. Edit and make sure that SAML enabled here and save it again. So in SAML sign-on settings, we are going to click new and go back to challenge. So just copy this name and paste it over here. An issuer, again we do have some URL over here. Just copy and paste it. So we are going to choose file which we have downloaded. Check in downloads and open. For require signature method, select RSA1. Here I am going to select assertion contain the federation ID from user object and HTTP redirect. So for entity ID, we are going to choose our federation ID under my domain. You just need to copy this my domain URL, copy and paste it over here by typing https:// paste. So now save it. So our third step is to go to this link, SAML identity provider and tester. Now we are going to generate a SAML response. So federation ID, the previous one. So we are now on single sign-on setting. We need to go back user. I'm going to click on my profile. And the federation ID is just same like your username. So you need to copy your username here and go back there. paste it. And sample version as 2.0 and attribute name where attribute name is not required. Now we are going to copy this on sure, paste it, and our entity ID is, go to single sign-on setting, you just copy this entity ID, just paste it over here. For this recipient URL, you are going to just select your login URL which is given over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. So now we are going to click on request sample response. Let's try logging in here. Yeah, this is now successfully logged in. Let's get back to our challenge and check our challenge now. Yeah, we have passed this challenge. We have completed all the prerequisite to be done for super badge. So let's get into our super badge. Yeah, we have completed both the prerequisite and our super badge is unlocked now. So let's get on to it. So for this also we will need a developer edition organization with a special configuration. So click on that. Close all the tabs. So enter your first name. Fill this. So I have filled all the details over here. Like in previous video we have also used this email ID. So you can use the same mail ID here, but username should be different. So click on this checkbox now and sign me up. So once after sign up is all done, we will receive a mail to verify our account. You just need to click verify. Before that you have to copy this username, verify account. So here we are going to change our password. And security question, change password. Now we have successfully changed our password. So again, get back to the challenge, scroll down, click on three dots over here, connect org. So here you are going to provide the username which we have copied before and password, login. Hello. Yes, save it. Let's get into our challenge now, guys. So you need to scroll down and click launch here. Once you get your setup page, search for user, called Sally. Click on that, click edit, we are going to provide our mail ID over here. In order to reset our password, provide your mail ID. So I have provided my mail ID over here. I'm going to click on save. Okay. So now we are going to reset our password. Before that, make sure your mail ID is changed and reflected over here. For that, we need to click on this mail and click on this link. Continue. So now we can check. So my mail ID is replaced over here. So now go to setup, user, yeah, now you can see that mail ID is changed over here. Now I am going to reset my password. Okay. So you can get a mail for resetting your password. Click on the link. Before that, you need to copy this username. Reset password. So provide new password with all these parameters satisfied over here. So I am going to change the password. So we are going to log out. So we are going to log in again as an admin. So provide your username here and password. Now log in. It will be connected to Salesforce Authenticator app. Like what are all the steps we have done before, we are going to follow the same over here. So just open your phone and go to Play Store and download Salesforce Authenticator app. Now I am going to click on add an account from my mobile. So you will get two word phrase over there. You need to give that phrase over here and connect. You need to click on connect from your mobile phone, and our challenge is all done. So let's check. Accept. Yeah guys, we have passed this challenge, so let's get into our challenge number 2. So as per this challenge, Malcolm is a person who is facing single sign-on error. So we are going to help him to get rid of this error. In order to help him, we are going to single sign-on settings and click on Axiom SSO test. Click again. We are going to edit this. If you don't find edit option over here, you need to get back to your challenge and launch this playground again, because we were logged in as a admin. So now I am going to click on edit. So here I am going to give SAML identity type as assertion contains the federation ID from the user object, and click on save. Go back to our challenge and click on this link, generate a SAML response. So version, I'm going to choose it as 2.0, and username from Malcolm is username. So I'm going to just copy and paste it over here, and recipient URL. So we are going to copy this for our recipient's URL. And paste it over here. For entity ID, we are going to give this and issuer the same. As per our challenge requirement, it is advised to use our federated ID for Malcolm. I have replaced our federated ID of Malcolm. So now request SAML response, login. Yeah, it is logged in successfully. So let's go back to our challenge and check it out. It will take some time. Yeah guys, we have successfully passed this challenge. So let's get into third challenge now. So this is based upon a stolen phone. So Sally, she has lost her phone. So we are going to generate a temporary ID for her. We are again going to close all the tabs and launch it over here. Search for Sally. So here we are going to disconnect this one, and we are going to generate a temporary verification code for Sally. So generate, register. You will get a verification code in your register mail ID. So just copy this code and paste it over here. Click on verify. So now it will be connecting to Authenticator app. So enter the 2-word phrase. Connect. We have successfully generated temporary code. So you need to click on approve from your mobile device. You need to give your 8 hours as per our challenge requirement. Generate code. Click on done. Before that, you need to copy this temporary code. If you want, you can also check it with the temporary verification code over there. So let's check our challenge now. Yeah guys, we have passed all the challenges in the super badge. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you on next video. Until then, bye bye.